All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to go over the basic HTML tags, okay? So I'm going to open up Sublime Text, and I'm going to open up a new window, which will populate right here. I'm going to click on Project, Add Folder to Project. I'm going to go on my desktop here. I'm going to click Desktop. I'm going to right-click, click New, and we're going to call this Basic HTML Tags. Okay, I'm going to double click to open it. I'm going to select the folder, and there you go. I'm going to hit Control N, Control S, and we're going to select Basic HTML Tags, that folder. I'm going to type in index.html. Okay, so when you start learning HTML, okay, and this is the very basics here, the first thing that you want to do is you want to declare what type of document it is. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do a left bracket. We're going to do an exclamation point, doc type, all capitalized, space, HTML, and then close it. Okay, so that's the first tag that you want. Now we're going to hit return, and we're going to type in HTML, close it, and then I'm going to type in left bracket, backslash, and in Sublime it will autofill. If it doesn't, you're going to have to do left bracket, backslash, HTML. Okay, now I'm going to hit return, and I'm going to type in head. Okay, I'm going to close it. I'm going to do a left bracket. I'm going to do a backslash. It's going to autofill, which is perfectly fine. I'm going to hit return. And now I'm going to type in title. So title, and then I'm going to do that. Okay, so now we have the very basic tags. Okay, so I want to do one more thing. So after the head tag, we're going to hit return, and I'm going to type in body. Okay, and then I'm going to do a left bracket, backslash, body, hit return, we're good to go. Okay, so that's a basic boilerplate template of HTML5. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we're going to continue on here, and now we're going to talk about other tags that are common but basic tags. So the first one we're going to talk about is comment. The commenting out tag. It's not even a tag really, it's just this will be commented out. Okay, so that's how you comment out code. And I'm going to save this, so I'm going to hit Control S to save. So what I want to do is I'm going to comment out again, and I'm going to type in this is the H1 to H6 tags. Okay, so we're going to do left bracket H1, close that, left bracket, backslash. Okay, this is the H1 tag. Okay, then we're going to do H2, so we're going to comment it out again. This is the H2 tag, and then we're going to type in H2. Okay, this is the H2 tag. Okay, and then the H3 tag, we're going to do the same thing. This is the H3 tag. Okay, and we'll do left bracket H3. This is the H3 tag. Okay, and this is the H4 tag. Okay. Okay, so we'll do H4. This is the H4 tag. Okay, there we go. And we're going to comment out H5. This is the H5 tag. Okay, and we'll do H5. Close that. This is the H5 tag. Okay, one more tag to go here. This is the H6 tag. And we're going to H6, close that, backslash, there you go. This is the H6 tag. Okay, so I'm going to save that. I'm going to right click and I'm going to open in the browser. And now you can see this is the H1, the H2, the H3, the H4, the H5, and the H6 tags. Okay, so if I right click and I inspect, okay, and we click on body, you can see that we have every single tag commented. So we know exactly where everything is. And it's, right now it's all close together, but it's really easy for you to decipher between H6, H5, H4, H3, H2, and H1. This is why it's very important to comment out your code, because the more commenting out you do, the easier it is for you to edit and find things quickly. Okay? So now what we're going to do is we're going to add the P tag. So I'm going to go back into Sublime. I'm going to comment this out. This is the paragraph tag. Okay, and I'm going to type this is the paragraph tag with some text inside of it. Control S to save. Let's right click, open in the browser. And there you go, there's the paragraph tag. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go over the break tag. Okay. So the break tag, we're going to comment it out. This is the break tag. Okay, we're going to type in BR. And then I'm going to copy the paragraph tag from above, the comment to. Okay, let's hit return. I'm going to paste that in. Let's right click, open in the browser. And you can see that this is a break right here, okay? So next up, we're going to do the HR tag, which we're also going to put here. Okay, so let's do, this is the HR tag. Okay, let's right click, open in the browser, and it's a horizontal line going across. Okay, let's go into Sublime. Now we're going to go over the image tag. Okay, so what I'm going to do is we're going to comment this out. This is the image tag. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to do image, source, and I'm going to save this. Let's go to our browser, and I want you to go to this website, go to my website, 4jmedia.co, grab this logo right here, right click on it, copy image address. Okay, we're going to go back into Sublime, and we'll paste that in right here. And after this, we're going to type in Alt 4J Media logo. We'll save that. Let's right click and open it in the browser. And you can see it right here. It's a white logo, so it's hard to see, but it's working. Okay, so there's the logo right there. Next up, we're going to do an anchor tag. So let's do href equals https / www.google.com, and let's do target the heck was that underscore blank. Okay, open in the browser, and it's not going to work because I didn't put text in there. So here, let's go back in there. Plus we got to close the tag. There we go. This is a link. Save that, right click, open in the browser. This is a link. And there you go. So it opened up Google. Okay, so that's the anchor tag. Here's the image tag, the link tag. Next up, we're going to play with the button. Okay, so let's do button. Let's close button, and in between this is a button. Okay, right click, open in the browser, and there you go. This is a button. Okay. Next up, we're going to do an unordered list. And before we do that, let's comment out these. This is an anchor tag. This is a button tag. Okay. Now we're going to do, this is an unordered list tag. Okay, so we'll do UL, and I'm going to do an LI inside. So we're going to comment that out first. This is a list tag. Okay, I'll go to the next line. I'm going to do another LI tag. This is a list too. Close that. Save it. Right click, open in the browser. And you can see this is a list. This is a list too. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add to that, and we're going to do an ordered list. So we're going to comment this out. This is an ordered list tag. So it's an OL with a list. This is a list tag. Okay, and it's going to be LI again. This is an ordered list. We'll add one more LI in there. This is another ordered list. Save that, right click in the browser, open in the browser, and you can see it's ordered because you got one and then two. Okay, so those are all the tags that we wanted to cover in this video. But before I go, let me see here. Yep, that's it. So thanks for watching, and in the next video we're going to go over styles and semantics. All right, I'll see you there.